Dear students, see the next part of the chapter quadrilateral. Another theorem is there, the midpoint theorem. What is the midpoint theorem? Now see this triangle, okay? Here ABC is a triangle and BC parallel EF, okay? If EF are the point of the midpoint of AB and AC, then what you find? That EF is half of BC. That means this line segment is half of BC. Okay, that is the midpoint theorem. What is midpoint theorem? Again you see, in a triangle, if you draw a parallel line to the third side of a triangle and these 2 points are the midpoint of other two sides, then this line segment EF is half of BC. ये जो EF line segment है, ये इसका measurement, ये BC का half होगा. That is the midpoint theorem. Now see the theorem. The line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. This is the converse. That means this is parallel to the third side. That means the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Matlab, if these two midpoints meet each other, then this line segment is parallel to the third side, that is BC. And when it is parallel, then what you find, conversely what you find, this EF is half of BC and BC is the double of EF. Okay, so now see this one, how can you prove it? So this is a triangle, AEF is a triangle and ABC is a triangle. Okay, now see, from these two triangles, if EF is parallel to BC, then this angle equal to this angle Y, corresponding angle. And angle C equal to angle EFA, this angle. Y also the corresponding angle. And see, angle A is the common angle of both the triangle, which one? AEF and ABC. So by the angle theorem, you can prove that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, and when these two triangles are congruent, then AE equal to, that is AE, that is this is the part. Okay, EF, this is the half of BC. Now see this one, how can you prove that? In figure, this is the figure. ABC is a triangle in which what you have to do? E and F are midpoints. These E and F are midpoints of AB and AC. And CD parallel BA. This CD parallel BA. Okay. This one you have to construct. What you have to construct? The CD line segment is parallel to BA. That one you have to construct and you have to extend. Which one you have to extend? EF you have to extend up to D. Clear? Then what you find? ED is the parallel line of BC. ये जो ED line segment है, ये BC का parallel है. ठीक है? Now what you have to prove? Triangle AEF, okay, congruent to the triangle CDF. कैसे प्रूफ करोगे? देखो, अभी जो मैंने क्या बोला, E और F मिड पॉइंट है. ये अगर मिड पॉइंट है, that means it divide the line segment AB and AC in two equal parts. So from there what you find? AE equal to EB, AF equal to FC. अभी देखो कंस्ट्रक्शन क्या किया था? ED BC का पैरेलल है. So if BE these two parallel line, that means from there what you can say that ये जो BE है, ये measurement, this measurement is equal to the CD because this is the parallelogram. So opposite sides are equal. So EB equal to CD. वहां से मिला कि EB equal to CD. ठीक है, अभी देखो कैसे प्रूफ करोगे ये ट्राइंगल और ये ट्राइंगल जो है कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. एक तो मिलेगा this line is parallel to this line. Okay, that means from here you can say that this angle equal to this angle, alternate interior angle. Clear? Again you see this angle equal to this angle, ये angle equal to ये angle. Why? This is also alternate interior angle. और क्या मिलेगा? CD equal to AB, AE, क्योंकि ये equal to ये है और ये equal to ये है. Clear? So this equal to this हुआ कि नहीं? So what you find? This angle you find equal, this side you find equal, and this angle also you find equal. So by angle side angle rule, these two triangles are congruent. So EF equal to DF by CPCT and BE equal to AE equal to CD. Okay, because this equal to, मैंने अभी भी बोला क्या, this equal to this and this equal to this, so this equal to this. Clear? All are related to each other. Therefore BCDE is a parallelogram. कैसे मिला? क्योंकि तुमको मिला क्या, opposite sides are equal. Okay, what you find from here, opposite sides are equal. That's why BCDE is a parallelogram. Clear? So this give, if it is a parallelogram, once you find this is a parallelogram, so from there what you say that EF is parallel to BC. Clear? Obviously EF is a parallel to BC since it is a parallelogram. Okay. In this case, EF is equal to half of ED. Why? Because this is a midpoint and this is extension, half of ED, because this is the parallel line and these are the midpoint. So EF is equal to half of ED is equal to half of BC. मतलब ये जो मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम से क्या मिला था, EF BC का हाफ है. क्लियर? और BC इक्वल टू ED कहाँ से मिला? पैरेललोग्राम से. So EF also the half of ED. Clear? So this is the theorem. Now see, how can you apply this one? See this one, this example. In triangle ABC, कौन सा triangle? ABC triangle. DE and F are respectively the midpoints of side AB, BC, CA. ये तीनों साइड का मिड पॉइंट है. कौन सा है? D, E और F. ठीक है. Show that, क्या प्रूफ करना है? Triangle ABC is divided into 4 congruent triangles by joining DE और F. ये सब ज्वाइन करने के बाद कितना ट्राइंगल मिलता है? यहाँ पर 4 ट्राइंगल. You have to show these 4 triangles are congruent to each other. So how can you prove it? As D and E are midpoints. कौन सा midpoint है? D और E midpoint of sides AB and BC. So if these are the midpoint from the theorem, what you find? This DE is parallel to AC. Clear? And also DE parallel to EC. Similarly क्या मिलेगा? EF parallel AB and DF is parallel to BC. Okay. Therefore, when you find these are parallel, so from there what you can write? ADEF. Which one? ADEF. This is a parallelogram. Another one, BDFE. it is also a parallelogram. Another one, DFCE, this is also a parallelogram. Okay. Now DE is a diagonal. कौन सा diagonal है? DE is the diagonal of the parallelogram BDEFE. ये parallelogram का diagonal है. क्या है? DF. ठीक है, DE. So previously you find a theorem that means the diagonals of a parallelogram equally divides into congruent triangle. Okay. So ये अगर diagonal है, that means this triangle and this triangle are congruent. So from there what you find? These two triangle are congruent. Similarly from another parallelogram you find this this is congruent to this one. Mila. Similarly from the third parallelogram what you find? This congruent to this one. So एक दूसरे का congruent triangle है. हर एक triangle एक दूसरे का congruent है. So from there what you can say? All the 4 triangles are congruent to each other. Okay.